What's up everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about something I see a lot of photo booth owners not doing, and it's costing them thousands. And I honestly think doing this, what I'm telling you, if you do this, I can almost guarantee you're going to succeed in this business. Try to get events that are during the week. This is huge. Like, just think about it, right? If you're only getting events that are on Saturdays, that's going to be 90% of your income, right? Is Saturday events. Then you have the occasional Friday and Sunday event. Just trying to get these weekday events is going to bring in so much extra income. It's just, I like to think of it like the cherry on top, right? Like, we're always fully booked on Saturday, and my goal is to get these weekday events. It's just, I can't even tell you, I think, for us it's been an extra $15,000, $20,000 for the year. And I know the hardest part is, I'm sure you guys are probably like just wondering like, well, how do you get these events? Well, you guys, you can easily target these weekday events. So my good buddy Rex, you guys have seen me collab with this guy so many times. I'll leave his link in the description, but Rex, recently opened my eyes on schools, like high schools, sometimes middle schools. They have these, they have these annual things like homecoming, right, for high schools. There's prom, they have like these ASB events, and a lot of times they need, or they may want, a photo booth. It's something fun, and most of these things are on weekdays. Like I'm sure some of the parties are actually on Saturdays, but these schools have like football games, they have all this other stuff during the week. So what we do, and what we started doing, is reaching out to schools. Think about how many high schools, or even colleges, right, are around your, like in a 20 to 25 mile radius of your home. So what we do is we started calling, we started writing emails, offering a free digital photo booth. And yes, I know, for free. Yeah, we're doing it for free just to get in, just to show them the value of the photo booth, show them how professional we are, show them, that this photo booth is a lot of fun and it's going to be worth it for their events. So we've been doing a ton of free events, kind of why I've been a little bit busy and I haven't been able to make content consistently. It's just we've been really doing these weekday events and really focusing on that, right? And it's working. We're getting, now they're booking us after the event. A lot of high schools. I really want to get into the college space, but that's one way. And a lot of corporate, like businesses, right? They'll have weekday events. A lot of it is for their employees. Or, it's just, think about it. Businesses operate usually from Monday to Friday, and they usually have these things during the week. So what you need to do, what I recommend you to do, not what you need to do, I recommend, because I don't want to sit here and tell you guys what you need, but what you should do is go after these people, schools, colleges, businesses. Pick up the phone, look over, like whatever area you are around the businesses, and just offer it for free. Just say like, hey, look, we would love to, to work with you. We would love the chance to bring some fun to your next event. We're so confident that, we're going to do it for free, and we're so confident you guys will like it. You'll end up booking us for your future events. And that right there is that's it. That's all you need to say. You can go ahead and try to get, a little bit money, maybe offer them a discount. But my mindset is, if I'm offering something for free, there's no strings attached, they have nothing to lose, So it's just one of those things where you just take the hit, because it's like, okay, think of it like this. If you're already not doing events during the week, how much business are you going to really lose out on if you get a Thursday event or a Wednesday event? You're not missing out on anything. Maybe just your time, but think of that time invested into your business. Let's say you like to watch one movie, 2 movies a week. I think a lot of us tend to do. For me, it's YouTube. I love YouTube. Instead of watching 2 movies, just stop. Just like, hey, I'm not going to watch movies this week. Dedicate that to doing a free event for someone. Just reach out and make it your job to try to get jobs. That's another thing, you guys. That's my mindset. Is I'm not just posting ads on the free places that I tell you guys to do, like Craigslist, Facebook, and all that stuff. You have to take the time to reach out and try to get these jobs. So if you are not doing weekday jobs or attempting to get weekday jobs, your business is gonna fail, or you're gonna basically max yourself out and you know, think of every day of the week as a potential Saturday, if that makes any sense. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, or you know, got some value out of this. I am definitely gonna be making more videos, and it's just, you know, it's busy over here, and I hope you guys are busy too. Stay blessed. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.